अ मेजरमेंट ऑफ एनी क्वांटिटी, किसी भी क्वांटिटी की आप जो मेजरमेंट लेते हो दैट इज कॉल्ड यूनिट. एंड व्हाई यू आर टेकिंग यूनिट? इट गिव्स you exact value as I discussed with you. CGS system, MKS system, FPS system and SI system. Universally we are using SI unit. If its SI unit is powers, SI unit is watt. In India it's so throughout the world you will use the powers unit as watt, right? So this is a particular term or a quantity whose unit is particular, which identify the amount of measurement of any quantity, right? So then quantity is divided into two categories. The first one is scalar, the second one is vector. You know the definition. The scalar which shows magnitude only is vector. The definition of vector which shows magnitude as well as direction. Scalar shows magnitude. The meaning of magnitude means the value of any object, like you are talking about the size, volume, quantity, distance. Scalar quantity, remember that scalar quantities are always positive. It can be zero but it will never be negative. It's a negative, it will not show you the direction, so that's why they will not show you the negative. Vector, they can be positive, of course they can be zero, and they will definitely show you the negative. Negative means they are showing you the direction, that we will discuss later on here in your angles also. That suppose this is your circle and you want to see the direction. In circle, how will you tell me the direction? See, the line which touches this surface is called tangent. So dear students, this line which touches that circle is showing the direction, and this is called tangent. Its short name is tan. Tan, it will give you angle, right? So this tan formula is sin theta upon cos theta. Now dear students, you are unfamiliar with these terms. So to start these terms, we will let you know about trigonometry. So this is trigonometry ratios that I am going to discuss with you, which is the maths formula tan theta. Theta is the angle. Okay, sin theta upon cos theta is equal to the tan theta, which is actually tangent, and it give you the direction when in the circle the line touches the surface. So with this I want to continue with the three kinds of angles here. That, see, what do you mean by angle? When two linings are adjoining at the pinpoint here, A, B and B, C. C line, A line are co-joined here at the center. So this point is called angle. Here it makes angle. Suppose this is making a 30 degree. It is making a 90 degree. Here it's showing the 90 degree. Here it will show the 180 degree. And 180 degree means you will tell me which kind of angles are there. If it is less than 90 degree, what we call to this angle? They are your acute angles, right? And which are showing you the 90 degree, they are called
right angles.
Right angled triangle. And the sign of triangle is like this, as A, right angle triangle A, B, C. The term we are writing in the mid B, which represent the presence of angle. It means we will write the middle term here where the angle is formed. It is 90 degree. Okay, and if it is more than 90 degree, then it is obtuse angle, which is more than this. This is called obtuse angle, which is also known as linear. Or as we have discussed tan theta, sin theta, cos theta, we will discuss the trigonometry here. The term is trigonometry. In maths, the real functions relate angle of right angle triangle to the ratios of two-sided lengths. This is called trigonometry, in which we discuss the three main ratios. Here is your PGT theorem, Pythagoras theorem. If you heard this name in maths, here I will make 190 degree straight line A to B as I have drawn, but I show you here again. Then I will join one more line here, C. This is your triangle where it is a 90 degree, right? While I join this longest side as hypotenuse, and this is your base represented with a B, and this is your perpendicular. The sign is this, perpendicular. So it will make a right angle triangle, right? Here We will write 3 formulas. Just listen very carefully. There is a general formula. Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर बोल सोना चांदी तोल. So this sona chandi tol is sine cos tan. Now you know that the sine formula is sine is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse, and cos is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and tan is equal to perpendicular upon base. See, sine cos tan its opposite cosine. ठीक है, cosec sec and so there cosine sec and cotangent. If you heard very carefully, then you listen one term co. The name further is same: tangent, sine, secant, tangent, cotangent, cosecant, cosine. So their formula will be reverse: h upon p, h upon b, b upon p. So there is a PGT theorem, Pythagoras theorem, which is the sum of the longest side, square of the longest side is equal to the sum of two other side, a b square, which is perpendicular, plus b c square. So this is the formula of PGT, and you have to learn this formula: sine, cosec and tangent. And here are the formulas. P means you will put the value of this like 3 centimeter upon. So here are the formulas: P upon H, B upon base upon hypotenuse and perpendicular upon base. You will put the values and you will get the answers. So here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Am I clear to all? I think these basic concepts have clear to you all. So if you have any queries, okay, we will send you the more videos. Stay tuned. Bye bye.